Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? What's going on? Many congratulations, my brothers. This time you can see here Polygon price will increase 2.43%. The price is increased now in last 24 hours. So my brother, absolutely after a very bad dump, the prices pumps up now. So there, I think this is very good news for all of you. And in upcoming time, my friend, there is a chance so they will pumps up or dumps down. And my brother, and this is permanent jump or temporary jump. The main thing was that, my brothers, to this is people understand to this is temporary jump or this is permanent jump. If this is the permanent jump, then it is good now. Please, if you have any plan, my friends, to buy more, sell it, then it's good now. But if you this is temporary jump, this is not a permanent jump, then my brother, after a very strong time the price will again fall down. So therefore, Polygon holders, try to understand, first of all, understand it to this is permanent jump or temporary jump. So I am going to explain now everything, but please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Yes, my brother, hope you will subscribe to this channel. Let's come to the point. My brother, in last 24 hours they will take a jump after, my friend, a very long time. After not a very long time, just and only, my friend, before 3 days this coin will moving upward. But in this time, as you can see, my friend, the price will fails down. So you can see here, just and only after this point the price will fails down, and after that they will again starting pumping up. So you can see here October 12 to October 14 the price is starting increasing. And absolutely, I told you my previous video to this is temporary fails, after that they will again pumps up. So today, my friend, I will also tell you to this is temporary pump. After this pump they will again fails down, because this is the circulation, my brothers, to after a jump they will dump, and after a dump they will pump. So therefore, please try to understand to if they will moving upward in upcoming days. I hope, my friends, this is only the last 10 days of every month every coin will get a profit. So therefore, I hope to Polygon will also moving upward and get a very good profit. But for that we will need, my friends, to hold out. If we are just an only hold, so I hope they will give us a very good profit. So my advice for all of you, remember, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold down and wait for the end of month. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box and like video and subscribe this channel.